Sonoluminescence is a fascinating physical phenomenon in the field of physics, and this phenomenon was discovered by researchers accidentally in the 1930s. But actual research work was done, means research in detail was done in the late 20th century. Okay, and the name of Seth Putterman, he is a physicist and he is known for his work in the field of fluid mechanics, nonlinear dynamics, plasma physics. He has sufficient contribution in the field of sonoluminescence. Okay, so he is a physicist. Anyway, what is this phenomenon? Sonoluminescence. Say there is liquid and inside liquid there is a gas bubble. Means suppose there is a container and you have supplied some amount of gas inside that liquid. Or if it is water, then inside that water you have supplied some gas. And due to the presence of gas inside the liquid, bubble has formed. Bubbles have formed. Okay, you just assume this way. And now you excite that liquid by ultrasonic waves. Means high intensity sound wave. If you can excite that liquid by high intensity, means intense sound wave, then in that case what happens? Very short period of time, the time range varies from a few picoseconds to nanoseconds. Yes, time range is very short. For very small interval of time, light, burst of light is observed. Means light emits from those bubbles for a very short interval of time. And that interval is how much? It varies from a few picoseconds to nanoseconds. Only that much. Okay, so this is the mechanism of producing light using sound wave. That means here what is happening, sound energy is converted into light energy by this mechanism, by doing such experiments. So explanations are there, but this phenomenon is still not fully understood by the physicists. Yes, they have proposed different ideas. One idea is adiabatic heating. So what happens actually, first step is you are supplying gas to the liquid. So gas bubbles are formed. Then you are exciting that liquid by intense sound waves. Okay, so what happens in that case, the bubbles start oscillating due to the changing pressure. Sometimes the pressure is very high, sometimes the pressure is very low. When the pressure is low, the bubble expands, and when the pressure is high, the bubble contracts. So when analyzing these things, so when bubble contracts, okay, so this process of contraction, it is very rapid. It is a rapid process. And it creates high pressure inside the bubble. That means inside the bubble the condition is extreme, high pressure. And since the pressure is high, so automatically the temperature is high. That means inside the bubble the condition is extreme, high pressure and high temperature. And this way the bubble ionized. Bubble ionizes this way due to the presence of high pressure and high temperature. That means plasma is formed. And due to this formation of plasma or ionized gas, light emits. Okay, so when analyzing causes behind this, so one cause was means these are actually proposals. I have already mentioned that this physical phenomenon is still not fully understood by the physicists. One probable reason is adiabatic heating. Since the process of compression is so rapid, so the heat transfer can be assumed to be adiabatic in nature. And during this process, the gas is ionized, okay, and it emits light. Then, plasma is present, okay. We are talking about plasma due to the presence of high pressure and high temperature. So, there is accelerating electrons, means inside the bubbles, accelerating electrons are there. And due to the presence of accelerating electrons, there is a chance of Bremsstrahlung radiation. It is a new kind of radiation known as Bremsstrahlung radiation, and I have already posted a video on this topic, Bremsstrahlung radiation. You can, in the description box, you will get the link of that video where Bremsstrahlung radiation has been discussed in detail. Again, one more probable reason is chemiluminescence. Means inside the bubble, chemical reactions are taking place, though it is still unknown. But this has been suggested by physicists. Okay, so these are the probable reasons. What is the application of this sonoluminescence? In case of medical imaging and industrial processes, these sonoluminescence are used. USG, ultrasonography, in the field of medical imaging, this USG technique is used, though the light is not required. But the physical phenomenon, this is required for medical imaging. During this process, light is emitted, light is not required for medical imaging technology. Again, in case of industrial processing, for the purpose of cleaning, this technique is used. Again, in case of fusion reactions, you know that to initiate fusion reactions, high temperatures are required. And in the process of this sonoluminescence, high temperatures are created. So, in the case of fusion reactions also, this technique is used. Okay. Again, to study plasma physics in detail, this phenomenon can be created. Means this phenomenon itself becomes the laboratory for the study of plasma physics, or for the conditions where pressures and temperatures are very high. Okay. Anyway, so this was all about the topic sonoluminescence, and the name of physicist Putterman is involved here because he has sufficient contribution in this field. Seth Putterman. Okay. Anyway, so this is the end of this video. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.